watching the recorded videos of Mr. Varun Jain is a huge help to you, as it provides you a base to understand and do those questions that are given in the practice bank. My name is Rohit Mathew Eapen. I completed my CMA US from Miles Education. I did my BCom Finance and Accounting from Christ University, Bangalore. I went into CMA because I wanted a base in finance and accounting. CMA provided that. So plus it helped me with my BCom. A few portions of it were similar, so it helped me there also. I first went through the notes through the text given by Miles. So I first looked at that, and then I started looking into the videos, which were of parts which were not clear to me at the time. The recorded videos were mostly all I watched, but it was more than enough. Like I said, it was great. His examples and everything that he used for all his topics were immensely helpful at the time. Mock tests, I had to do I did two of them before 1 week before the exam. Then before that I kept on doing the question bank, the practice test a lot more. I had to do around 250 MCQs per day. It was advised to me at the time that would help me overcome this any problems I had doing 100 MCQs for one exam. So that particular tip was helpful. Much love, my